What's up, Moto community? It just occurred to me that I hadn't showed you guys the Stark Future Toolbox yet, so let's go over it now. First of all, this kind of rag here, it's like a microfiber cloth. It comes in the box. It's embroidered with Stark Future Varg. And the box itself is labeled with a raised Stark Future on the top. Kamasa Tools, it looks like. So, open up. It's pretty cool. As far as I'm aware, you have virtually everything you need here to take your Stark Varg completely apart. So, let's start with the biggest stuff first. We've got a Kamasa torque wrench here. This is a large torque wrench, guys. I mean, there's nothing... You could torque a lot of what you would need on a vehicle with this thing. But not only do you have the large torque wrench, trying to do this with one hand. You always want to be gentle with your torque wrenches. They are a measuring instrument. Here is your smaller torque wrench. This will be more often used, in my opinion, on this bike. And then we have some extensions. Here's your 3/8 extension. Stay up. Stay up. Sorry, it was sitting on a screw. Here's your 1/4 inch extension. Here is flathead screwdriver. Nice rubbery, not plasticky grip. Looks like a magnetic tip on that. Over here, 17 millimeter 3/8 drive socket. Here we have our adapter to go from 3/8 to 1/4. 10 millimeter hex. This is what, the T50, T45. Over here we've got our smaller sockets. Here is a 13. And here's our adapter to go from 1/4 inch to 3/8. And this is probably like a T25. This is a T30. And here's our T25, a little extended. As far as wrenches, realize there are a couple wrenches down in those slots. I didn't think there was an 8, and then found the 8 trapped behind the 13. So there's your 8 and your 13. And then over here are 2 10s. And then over here, we have a very cool little spoke wrench. So then that microfiber can sit right in there like that, and you close it up. This is really cool, guys. It's just something unique to Stark that we've never really seen before to come with the bike. So that is not a little funky $20 tool set that goes into your seat. This is the real deal. So very cool.